Hi, I'm Gary Rogalski for the Northwest Woodworking Studio, a school for woodworkers. And this summer, we're having a class not in Portland. We're going to be out in Lyle, Washington. I've got a new shop out there, and I want to inaugurate it with a great class. It's going to be a table design class. We're going to design our dining room tables, and then as a group, build a table. Let me show you a model. I said models are a great way of getting information, and we'll be working on models and designs every morning. In the afternoon, we'll be working as a group, building a dining room table that we will donate to the Sisters Folk Festival, a great festival in Central Oregon. So I want to show you a couple other things that we'll be doing every day. One of the things we'll be doing each day is working on designs. I like to spend a fair amount of time just generating ideas. I'll be doing it here on the blackboard, but I like working in a big felt tip pen or a carpenter's pencil. Works great. I'm trying not to be too precise at this point. I'm just generating ideas. So one of the ideas I've been working on for this table design is some kind of table base like that. And this is a massing technique. So from the side I'll have something shaped like that and a stretcher. You don't worry about it at this point. Anyway, these are some of the ideas some of the techniques we'll be playing with in the design portion of each day of class. Well, I hope you'll check out our website for more information on this class, the Design Build Dinner Table class. It's on northwestwoodworking.com, our summer schedule. Check it out under Masterwork classes and see what you think. I think it's going to be a great class, a great opportunity to do some design work and build a great table for a super cause. Thanks for coming.